Albert Einstein once declared, "God does not play dice with the universe." But what if he does? Welcome to the bizarre world of quantum physics, a realm where certainty shatters, logic bends, and reality itself seems to dissolve under observation. At the subatomic scale, reality is nothing like the solid world we know. Atoms, the building blocks of everything, are mostly empty space. Electrons don't orbit like neat little planets. Instead, they exist in fuzzy clouds, possibilities rather than certainties. As physicist Niels Bohr said, everything we call real is made of things that cannot be regarded as real. In 1900, Max Planck introduced the word quantum, small packets of energy, solving the ultraviolet catastrophe that baffled physics. Soon after, Einstein used this idea to explain the photoelectric effect, proving light isn't just a wave, it's also made of particles, photons. The rules of physics had changed forever. Light can act like both a wave and a particle, and so can matter. Fire electrons at a screen, and they'll sometimes behave like tiny bullets, but under the right conditions, they spread out like waves. How can one thing be two things at once? This is the heart of the quantum mystery, wave-particle duality. The strangest evidence comes from the double-slit experiment. Shoot electrons through two slits, and instead of two lines, they form a wave interference pattern, as if each particle went through both slits simultaneously, interfering with itself. Stranger still, if you watch closely with a detector, the interference vanishes. Suddenly, the electron chooses one slit, behaving like a particle. Observation itself changes reality, as if the universe knows it's being watched. In 1927, at the Solvay conference, this debate exploded. Einstein refused to believe the universe was random, insisting God does not play dice. Niels Bohr replied sharply, "Einstein, stop telling God what to do." This clash wasn't just about physics, it was about the nature of reality itself. Do we live in a predictable, clockwork cosmos, or a dice game where chance rules everything? Einstein, Podolsky, and Rosen tried to prove quantum mechanics incomplete with a thought experiment, the EPR paradox. They imagined two particles linked together across space, instantly affecting each other no matter the distance. Einstein mocked it as spooky action at a distance. Today, we call it quantum entanglement. And experiments have shown, spooky or not, it's real. Quantum physics works. It powers lasers, computers, even your smartphone. But it leaves us with haunting questions. Do particles exist before we look at them? Does observation create reality? And if randomness is built into the universe, what does that say about free will, causality, even God? The deeper we dive, the stranger the universe becomes. Einstein may have rejected the dice, but quantum mechanics seems to keep rolling them and always wins. So we're left with the ultimate question. Does God play dice? Or is reality playing dice with us?